Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to install APK files on iPhone 2023. Are you looking for a guide on how to install APK files on iPhone? Stay tuned because this one's for you. Alright, so installing APK files on an iOS device is near impossible as both platforms are incompatible. So there are a few software out there that you may use, but if you're keen to install APK files on iPhone, you can either jailbreak your phone or use an APK version of the file which is specially designed for iOS, if that makes sense. Um, there are APK versions of the file you want on iOS, so you just need to look for those. And when you do, you can easily download it without any third-party software, or just jailbreak your phone. I know that's a bit risky, but if you're really keen on getting APK files to your iOS device, well, it's either one of those two. Either get an iOS version of that APK file or jailbreak your phone. So that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.